Hi everyone, welcome back to our 11-step process on how we use to get new customer for businesses using Facebook ads. Use this to get and grow your business starting next week. Okay, this is video 4. Okay, by now you should have watched video 1, deciding on an audience to target. You should watch video 2 on finding the situation your audience is in to target more effectively. And you have watched video 3 regarding picking up offer that solves their problem. So in this video 4 is about landing page. Okay, first thing first, what is a landing page and why do we need it? A landing page is simply a web page that we're going to use to explain what our offer is and why we're making the offer. This page serves as an example explanation of what the offer is and explain to our target customer why it's good for them. A good landing page should do the following. Number 1, tell them who we are. Number 2, tell them what we're offering them. Number 3, convey why they should care. Number 4, tell them what to do next, which is your call to action. If you remember, alright, this is the case study that we're doing on the chiropractic that I do for my client. Okay, now you will see all kinds of landing page out there when you start looking. When I first started marketing my business online, I made it way too complicated. The landing pages that were the most effective, however, always seem to be the simplest. Now, this is an example of a landing page that we use to target females around the age of 35, which is our demographic in our case study, all right, which that we're using for our client, who are moms, who have toddlers, okay, on school-going kids or kids in grade school, okay, and this page is simple and explain the offer in as few words as possible. All right, very simple. So if you want to create a landing page, remember the 4 points I mentioned. Tell them who we are. Okay, tell them what we're offering them. 3, convey why they should care. And number 4, tell them what to do next, which is the call to action. Okay, now we can use a variety of web page creators to build something like this. If you aren't overly technical, you will need help, all right, to make all these pieces together, unless you use shortcut. Okay, or you outsource, or you get it, all right, you're more than happy to talk to us on how we can help you on this, all right. Once we create the landing page to explain the offer and capture the information, we need a page for them to land on once they submit the information. But I found another way to do things too. Okay, use same concept and information I shared today. I create and post a value content strategy on Facebook that sells product or service to get people into Messenger. I use Facebook as a landing page to get people into Messenger. Okay, so now I use 3 things. 1, this web page opt-in, like what you're doing now, which most of us are familiar with. 2nd, web page into Messenger, same web page, same layout. Only thing is it goes into Messenger. And 3rd, I use Facebook as a landing page and get people into Messenger. So in next video, which is video 5, we work on the thank you page. Okay, once people opt in, whether it's through an opt-in web page or go through web page into Messenger or into Messenger from Facebook. Okay, that is the next process, which is a thank you page. Okay, that's the whole sequence. Now, if you don't want to miss out the notification when we post the next content, then switch on your notification alert. This video tutorial is in the group under section unit. So if you have any question, type QQQ. All right, I'll be more than happy to help you. Okay, if you want to arrange a one-to-one strategy session call with me, just send us a message, all right, and fix a date for us to go and chat. All right, so till then, until we see into video 5 for the next process. Take care. Bye bye everyone.